Welcome to our exploration of the intriguing intersection between animal behavior and human psychology. In this video, we delve into the captivating world where the actions of creatures big and small offer profound insights into our own thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Understanding animal behavior is not merely an academic pursuit, it's a key to unlocking the mysteries of human psychology. Just as we study our closest relatives in the animal kingdom to trace our evolutionary lineage, delving into the behaviors of diverse species provides invaluable clues about the origins and mechanisms of our own cognitive processes, social dynamics, and emotional responses. By observing and analyzing the behaviors of animals, we gain a deeper understanding of the complex interplay between genetics, environment, and culture in shaping human behavior. Therefore, exploring animal behavior isn't just about understanding other species, it's about understanding ourselves more deeply. Animal behavior refers to the actions, reactions, and patterns of activity exhibited by animals in response to internal and external stimuli within their environment. It encompasses a wide range of behaviors, including those related to feeding, mating, communication, territorial defense, and social interactions. These behaviors can be instinctual, learned, or influenced by social dynamics, and they play a crucial role in the survival, reproduction, and overall adaptation of species to their surroundings. Instinctual behaviors are innate, genetically programmed responses to specific stimuli. For example, the migration patterns of birds, the nesting behavior of turtles, and the hunting strategies of predators like lions are all instinctual behaviors that are essential for survival and reproduction. Learned behaviors are acquired through experience and observation, rather than being inherited genetically. Examples include the ability of chimpanzees to use tools for foraging, the mimicry of songbirds learning new tunes, and the problem-solving skills demonstrated by dolphins in captivity. Social behaviors are those related to interactions between members of the same species, including communication, cooperation, and dominance hierarchies. Examples include the intricate dances performed by honeybees to communicate the location of food sources, the cooperative hunting tactics of wolves in packs, and the complex mating rituals of birds of paradise. Studying animal behavior is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it provides insights into the evolutionary processes that have shaped the behaviors of different species over time. By understanding the adaptive significance of behaviors, scientists can gain a deeper appreciation for the diversity of life on Earth and the interconnectedness of all living organisms. Additionally, studying animal behavior can offer practical applications in fields such as conservation, agriculture, and psychology. By learning how animals respond to changes in their environment, researchers can develop more effective strategies for wildlife management, crop protection, and animal welfare. Furthermore, studying animal behavior can shed light on fundamental questions about human nature, such as the origins of social cooperation, the development of language, and the mechanisms underlying learning and memory. Overall, the study of animal behavior is a multifaceted endeavor that enriches our understanding of the natural world and our place within it. The similarities between animal behavior and human psychology can be traced back to our shared evolutionary history. Throughout the process of evolution, organisms have adapted to their environments through the development of certain behaviors and psychological traits that enhance their chances of survival and reproduction. Many of these adaptive behaviors and traits have been conserved across species, reflecting common ancestral origins. For example, the instinctual drive to seek food, find mates, and protect offspring can be observed not only in humans but also in a wide range of animal species. By recognizing these evolutionary connections, we can gain insights into the deep-seated motivations and impulses that drive both animal behavior and human psychology. Another compelling aspect of the similarities between animal behavior and human psychology lies in the shared behaviors and traits exhibited by different species. While the complexity and expression of these behaviors may vary, the underlying principles remain consistent across the animal kingdom. For instance, social behaviors such as cooperation, communication, and altruism can be observed in various animal species, from ants and bees to primates and dolphins. Similarly, emotions such as fear, aggression, and empathy are not unique to humans but are also present in many other animals. By studying these shared behaviors and traits, researchers can gain valuable insights into the underlying mechanisms that govern behavior and cognition across species boundaries. The similarities between animal behavior and human psychology are also shaped by the interplay between genetics and the environment. Both genetic factors and environmental influences play a crucial role in shaping behavior and psychological development in animals as well as humans. Genetic predispositions can determine certain behavioral tendencies and traits, while environmental factors such as social interactions, learning experiences, and cultural influences can further shape behavior and cognition over time. By examining how genetics and environment interact to influence behavior, researchers can better understand the complex interplay between nature and nurture in shaping both animal behavior and human psychology. Communication is a fundamental aspect of both animal behavior and human psychology, serving as a means to convey information, express emotions, and coordinate social interactions. Across species, communication methods vary widely, from vocalizations and body language to chemical signals and visual displays. For example, in the animal kingdom, bees communicate the location of food sources through intricate dances, while dolphins use clicks and whistles to navigate and socialize underwater. Similarly, humans rely on spoken language, facial expressions, and gestures to convey thoughts and feelings. Studying the communication methods of animals and humans reveals striking parallels in the ways information is transmitted and interpreted, highlighting the evolutionary roots of language and social interaction. Social structures and hierarchies are prevalent in both animal societies and human communities, playing a crucial role in organizing group dynamics and facilitating cooperation. In animals, social structures often revolve around dominance hierarchies, where individuals compete for resources and establish their place within the group. For instance, in wolf packs, alpha individuals exert dominance over subordinate members, determining access to food and mating opportunities. Similarly, humans form complex social hierarchies based on factors such as wealth, status, and power, which influence interpersonal relationships and societal norms. By studying social structures in animals and humans, researchers gain insights into the mechanisms of social organization and the adaptive advantages of cooperation and collective behavior. Problem-solving abilities are essential for survival and adaptation in both animals and humans, enabling individuals to overcome obstacles and navigate complex environments. Animals exhibit remarkable ingenuity and creativity when faced with challenges such as obtaining food, escaping predators, or navigating unfamiliar territories. For example, chimpanzees use tools to extract insects from logs, while crows fashion hooks out of twigs to retrieve food from hard-to-reach places. Similarly, humans demonstrate sophisticated problem-solving skills in various domains, from engineering and technology to mathematics and art. By studying the problem-solving abilities of animals and humans, researchers uncover the cognitive processes underlying innovation, adaptation, and learning, shedding light on the evolutionary origins of intelligence and creativity. The study of animal behavior has practical applications in the field of psychology and therapy. By understanding the mechanisms that govern behavior in animals, researchers can develop novel approaches to addressing psychological disorders and improving mental well-being in humans. For example, animal-assisted therapy programs utilize interactions with trained animals to reduce stress, alleviate symptoms of depression, and enhance social skills in individuals with various psychological conditions. Additionally, insights from animal behavior research can inform the development of behavioral interventions and treatment strategies for a wide range of psychological disorders, from anxiety and phobias to autism spectrum disorders. By harnessing the therapeutic potential of animal behavior, psychologists can enhance the effectiveness and accessibility of mental health care for diverse populations. While the study of animal behavior offers valuable insights into human psychology, it also raises important ethical considerations regarding the treatment and welfare of animals. Researchers must adhere to strict ethical guidelines and protocols to ensure the humane treatment of animals involved in scientific studies. This includes minimizing stress and discomfort, providing appropriate housing and care, and using non-invasive research methods whenever possible. Throughout this exploration, we have delved into the captivating parallels between animal behavior and human psychology. We discussed the definition of animal behavior, highlighting its diverse manifestations from instinctual responses to learned behaviors and complex social interactions. We examined the evolutionary connections between animals and humans, noting shared behaviors and traits that reflect our common ancestry. Additionally, we explored case studies showcasing communication methods, social structures, and problem-solving abilities across species, revealing the remarkable similarities that exist between animals and humans. Finally, we discussed the impact of understanding animal behavior on human psychology, including insights into human behavior, applications in psychology and therapy, and ethical considerations surrounding the study of animals. By recognizing our shared behaviors and traits with other animals, we can foster a deeper sense of empathy, respect, and stewardship towards the diverse creatures with whom we share our planet. In essence, the study of animal behavior serves as a bridge between the animal kingdom and the human psyche, illuminating the fundamental principles that unite us all as living beings striving to navigate and thrive in a complex and interconnected world.